Hello, Leo, Sun, Moon, and Rising, and welcome to this week's readings with me. If you're new to my channel, dear Leos, please do subscribe. Let's get ready to see what is in store for the Sun, Moon, Rising Leos, the general readings for you. The week begins with the feminine energy, my dear Leos. It seems you're dealing with a very maternal, motherly, loving, giving energy. This feminine energy can be you if you're a Leo lady, or you might be dealing with most probably your daughter, or it can be your beloved you are dealing with, my dear Leos, or it can be your mother or your grandmother also. But all in all, I see that this wonderful energy is it's a kind of a very protective energy. This is what I'm seeing for you, a very giving energy, nurturing energy, an energy, feminine energy without any hidden agendas, no selfish reasons, no selfishness behind any act that is done. This is what I'm seeing, my dear Leos, for you at the beginning of the week. For some of the Leos, single Leos, you might be meeting some energies, a feminine energy like this, who is very giving and who is very loving, and you might fall for this person, or you might think of this person as a potential partner. For some of you, it can also be a colleague who is having these qualities that you're dealing with. Well, for some of you, you will be spending some time with your mother, or a maternal energy, or with your grandmother also. You might call on them and to spend some time with them. For the elderly Leos, it can be your granddaughter that you're spending time with, or with your daughter also. This is what I am seeing, my dear Leos. And then we come to the midweek. Then the midweek here, I am seeing this energy is that of a masculine figure. Here, this is somebody who is very dynamic, very sportive, very frank, very much like a go-getter kind of an energy. This is what I see, my dear Leos. And I'm seeing that you are going to be very dynamic in the midweek. And there is something concerning money that you're dealing with, my dear Leos, in the midweek. It can be that either you are planning to invest somewhere, or it can be also meeting a banker at this point of time to discuss about a loan that you want to take for starting a new project, for example. Whilst for some of you, it can be also a pay raise that you can get in the midweek, or there can be a discussion with your boss, or with the person in charge regarding your salary at this point of time, regarding your salary hike, that can be discussed in the midweek. I also see that for some of the Leos, there can be a friend who is going to support you financially speaking, a masculine energy over here who's going to support you, somebody who is a very good advisor, who can be very much trustworthy. You can trust this person, my dear Leos. This is what I'm seeing. For some of you, there is if you're looking for a job or things like that, then the news comes through a masculine friend. A masculine energy is getting this kind of information which can be helpful to you regarding your job, or to find a new job. Also regarding student Leos, also I'm seeing that it is a good time in order to invest in your studies without diverting from your path. And there will be a good guide, a friend who will be your good guide, where you can get together and you can study well, or that person, this masculine energy friend, is going to guide you in your studies, or give you maybe some techniques to memorize, or to solve some problems also. This is what I am seeing, dear Leos. And then we come to the end of the week, and the end of the week is an excellent vitality energy. You are physically, you are very strong at this point of time, and you are going to be guided, you are going to be distanced from dangers, and even luck is present on your side. This is what I'm seeing, as the roaring tiger is seeing over here, and I'm seeing this tiger is full of vitality, and so are you, my dear Leos, because you're in your own element. Regarding your love life, it's all about passion here. It's all about fire and passion and intensity in your love relationship. But take care, because when you are like that, you can also hurt another person, because excessive passion leads to destruction also. Everything has to be in balance, my dear Leos. Just keep that in mind. For some of the Leos, you can have some jealousy pangs at this time, or your partner can have them, and because of that, a kind of a friction or a conflict can take place, even when everything is going just fine. Just that small little doubt can just blast things, and so you need to take care of that, my dear Leos. And I'm also saying that all your efforts are now going to be rewarded. This is what I'm seeing at the end of the week, and I'm seeing that you will have the energy to get the things done at this point of time. And I'm also seeing that you are going to be quite a social butterfly at the end of the week, because you are nicely mixing with lots of people, meeting people, because this energy is so, I mean, you're full of energy at this point of time, and you just want to, share it with everyone. This, and most probably, this energy is going to be very contagious from your side. Whenever you are going to some people, they will just catch this energy of yours and will enjoy your company a lot. And as it is, everybody loves the company of Leos because they are so full of, fun, and they are very nice people to be with, and they're frank and fun. I mean, I have a friend who's a Leo, and she's just full of fun. She's a bag of fun, and I just love that because I just love to laugh with her. And it's like, it never ends. Like each sentence is complemented with another sentence, and it's like it piles up, and a kind of a, it's like as if she fills up the blanks with some funny pranks and things like that. So this is what I like about Leos, is that they're fun to be with. Like you never feel bored with them, and this very energy of yours is going to be working for you at the end of the week, my dear Leos. Now when I look at all this, the word that comes to my mind, my dear Leos, for you all is nature. When was the last time you walked into the nature, my dear Leos? Because this is an energy full of vitality and full of energy, okay? It's like it's bubbling with energy. And what can happen is that if this energy is not properly channelized, then what can happen, my dear Leos? We can have a problem. We can have, I would say, yeah, everything will just get imbalanced, because when something is in excess, it has to be balanced, right? Otherwise, extremism is equal to destruction. Anything beyond limits is destructive. Like they say in Hindi, मर्यादा से बाहर जो भी चीज़ जाएगी वो विनाश का कारण बनेगी. So we have to be always in our limits of whatever we do, be it energy, be it happiness, be it money, be it anything. Everything has to be in its balance. Even love, which goes to its extreme, becomes an obsession, and then obsession becomes the destruction for that relationship also. So just take care of that. And how can you take care of that? Is that you go in the nature. If you have something close to your place, just go to a garden next to your place, or in your own garden, or go and walk in the woods, or just do some gardening, get some pots, get some mud, and then just plant some plants of the season in it, and try to cultivate a small kitchen garden. Like you take some coriander seeds, crush them and put them, and you just nicely get the coriander leaves, and there's some that's so nice, isn't it, for seasoning. And it really, the aroma is really, really so beautiful, right? Or persil also, you can do the same way. Then you have so many things that you can do. If you are not really close to the woods or the forest, or you don't have a garden, you always have an alternative. So my suggestion to you will be that this week, not just this week, but any time when you feel overwhelmed with your energy, so there is something inside of you that needs to be balanced, just go and connect to Mother Nature. Go in her arms. She's waiting. She's your mother. She waits for you in any form, in the form of a house garden that you can make, or a terrace garden you can make, or your kitchen garden also, if you can make. You just go and spend time there with this green, lovely Mother Nature. And then you will see that it is like an investment. When you walk into the nature, it's like an investment that you're making for your health. You are just putting something out there, a little bit of your energy, and you are resourcing yourself. You're filling yourself up with the fresh oxygen, and you feel so nice inside of you. Cultivate Mother Nature inside of you in a way, because when you go, you get her energy, and then you just embrace that energy, and then you are back, and then you feel so resourced and so beautiful. Why do we feel so nice when we are in the nature? Because Mother Nature is the nourisher. She nourishes us. All the plants, all the leaves of the plants, the trunk of the trees, all that sylviotherapy that we say, that is so beautiful, that is so wonderful, that you have to practice, my dear Leos, and it will really, really help you. And if inside of you you feel that you have been really working hard and that you have not had any time, a break for yourself, you need a time for vacation, then choose a place which is full of greenery and go and spend some time there. Even if it is some hours you can get, you just go and just spend some hours from, just take a break. So retreat into the nature, my dear Leos, and resource yourself, because you're the energy of fire, and fire needs cooling, and this cooling can take place through Mother Nature, my dear Leos. So on this, I would like to say thank you for listening. Please do like, share, and comment, and I shall see you next week. Until then, take good care of yourself, and yes, don't forget, you have a date with Mother Nature. I wouldn't say a date, you have a wonderful, wonderful invitation of Mother Nature. So go and embrace her. She's the mother, she's waiting for you. Bye bye, God bless.